Hi friends, we are in the module number 2 and we are discussing the module corrosion and metal finishing. Now we are in a metal finishing chapter, and in the previous classes we discussed about the metal finishing definition, technological importance, and the factors affecting the this metal finishing process, that is polarization, decomposition potential, and over voltage. Okay, so polarization is a difference in the electrode potential due to the slow or inadequate supply of the electrons from the bulk of the solution towards the electrode surface. Okay, that we finished in the previous class. So in this session we will be discussing about the decomposition potential and the over voltage. Fine. What is this decomposition potential? See, the process of the electroplating is electrolysis. Here what happens during the reaction is some of the products will be formed during the process of the electroplating, and they will be accumulating at the surface of the electrode surface. Okay, some products formed during the electrolysis process will be accumulating on the surface of the electrode. After they accumulate on the surface of the electrode, they will be creating some potential that is referred to as a back EMF. Okay, they will be arising some potential which is referred to as a back EMF. Okay, here in the process of electroplating, what do? We supply the direct current. Okay, when some amount of the current is passed, no, what happens is initially at low voltages no reactions occurs only. Okay, just the current flows, immediately it will be stopped. Okay, on increasing the voltage, no, then only there will be a continuous movement of the current in the process, and there will be a continuous electrolysis process will be taking place. Okay, if you apply some low voltage, electrolysis begins, but immediately it will be stopped. Why it is stopped? That is because of the back EMF is more than the applied voltage. Back EMF is more than the applied voltage. Okay, when we increase the current, okay, to how much we should increase? When we increase the current beyond the back EMF, then only the continuous electrolysis process takes place. Fine. Okay, so the definition for this decomposition potential is the decomposition potential is defined as the minimum external voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Okay, which is more than the back EMF. I think you understood now. It is the minimum voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process is called decomposition potential. So here now let us consider the electrolysis of an dilute acid with a base, okay, using a platinum electrodes. Two platinum electrodes are dipped in a electrolyte solution H2SO4, and the electrolysis is taking place. Okay, and when you apply around a voltage of around 1.3 volts, the current flows initially and it will be immediately stopped. Okay, only when you apply the current of around 1.7 volts only, the continuous electrolysis process will be started. Okay, so this is called as a decomposition potential, that is the minimum voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Okay, to measure this decomposition potential, a series of current versus the applied voltage is to be taken up to certain stage. Okay, and the flow of current is very small, thereafter it increases with the increase in potential. Okay, when we plot a graph of current versus the applied voltage, okay, as shown in the diagram, okay, a plot of current versus the applied voltage as shown here. Okay, the intersection of these two straight lines, okay, will be giving you the decomposition potential. This is the decomposition potential of the two platinum electrodes which are dipped in the electrolyte, that is a H2SO4. Okay, so next topic is over voltage. Okay, sometimes in the electrolysis process, what happens is continuous electrolysis takes place only when applied voltage is slightly greater than the decomposition potential. Okay, like theoretically something is given. Okay, but when you apply that voltage, the electrolysis process will not begin only. When you apply the voltage which is excess than or greater than the decomposition potential voltage, then only the continuous electrolysis process will be taking place. Okay, this is known as the over voltage. Theoretically, some voltage is given. For example, like to carry out the electrolysis process of the two platinum electrodes dipped in the H2SO4, you should supposed to apply 1.23 volts like that. It is given theoretically. But when you apply 1.23 volts of the current, the electrolysis process will not be beginning. Okay, initially it begins, immediately it will be stopped. But only when you apply the voltage which is greater than the theoretical decomposition potential, then only the continuous electrolysis process will be beginning. Okay, and the over voltage, it varies from electrode to electrode and from gas to gas. Okay, there is the over voltage of the hydrogen and oxygen on some electrodes are no. Because of this, the over voltage will be created. Fine. So factors affecting the over voltage are, that is because of the temperature, okay, current, electrode potential and rate of stirring. These are the some of the factors which affect the rate of the over voltage, and the over voltage can be controlled by maintaining the proper temperature, okay, and applying the required current for the electrolysis process. Fine. And the rate of stirring should be proper. If we maintain all these factors, we can reduce the over voltage. So this is about the factors affecting the electrolysis process: polarization, decomposition potential and over voltage. Very simple. This will be, each one will be asked for a 3 marks. Any two will be surely asked in your exams. Out of these three, any two will be surely asked. Once again, we will just revise the points discussed in this session. Okay, the decomposition potential is the minimum voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Okay, minimum voltage. When you apply the small amount of current, electrolysis begins and it stops. But when you apply the voltage which is more than the back EMF, then only the continuous electrolysis process begins. So the decomposition potential is explained as it is the minimum voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. And the over voltage is the excess voltage that must be applied. Okay, the excess voltage that must be applied, which is greater than the theoretical decomposition voltage, is referred to as the over voltage. Fine. I think till here I am clear. Okay, we will be meeting with the new topic. Until then, thank you.